car, I might go out. One thing I might do is take.
Yeah.
Just always have a tender and a starter with you.
This morning I was working out and my door opened, but the doors here are really loud when they open, so I didn't really think of anything. I was like, oh, it's probably the person like across from me. And it kept opening and I was like, oh, and it was a very, very nice custodial member at Hollins, and I was like, oh my god, and she was like, oh my god, because I recently moved to dorms and I forgot to take off a paper that basically says that this room is clear and clean and stuff. And so she just thought that there was no one in this room, and I was such an idiot for that. But anyways, I was like, it was like such an awkward position, honestly, because I was on my yoga mat and I was like doing a workout thing, and yeah. Anyways, it's funny. We laughed it off, but that was what my morning looked like at like 7:30, and I was like, oh, okay. I think what I'm gonna do, everyone's preparing for the storm that's coming, the snowstorm that's headed this way, and I'm gonna do that too. I'm having like a little bit of a reset Friday so I can have a better weekend, and I'm not like stressed this weekend for anything. So I think what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be doing a lot of my laundry today, and I might go to the grocery store, I don't know, to get some food just in case to stock up. And then I'm also going to do like an everything shower, which I know is so kind of silly, but I am a little scared that we're gonna lose warm water, so I just want to get like a good shower in beforehand. I'm so really sorry I'm talking kind of low. I'm getting used to talking in this room because it's really loud and echoey. I'm gonna go to work now. I'm a work study student and I work in admissions, and then I think we're gonna start the rest of the day. This one, let me see.